Hey guys, welcome. In this video I will show you how to use flowise.ai. So this platform is made as a open source no-code tool that lets you build and customize AI workflows visually using LangChain components. So in order to start using it, guys, of course, just create your account. After that, you will be thrown into this dashboard where, as you can see on the left pane, you can make all of these things. So for example, chat flows, agent flows, executions, and etc. But it's not really necessary for you to pick from these basically buttons on the left. You can just start creating manually. So just press on add new, and guys, as you can see, we'll be thrown to this workspace where, as I said before, you can visually start building. So let's, for example, say you want to build some kind of chat, AI chat, right? So you just look for the LLM chain, you put it on the workspace, then you add a chat model, which is going to be OpenAI, for example. All right, chat OpenAI, drag it, and pretty much, guys, you just connect these things with these little buttons in here. As you can see, you can just connect it. You just connected LLM chain to the OpenAI model. After that, of course, you will need to connect a credential. So basically you connect these tiles. Inside of tiles, you customize them and also add the credentials and different information. And in general, you can create more, of course, way more than this. You can create agents, for example, that will be performing some kind of tasks. So in general, just click on the plus and you can either choose from the list, or you can, of course, search. As you can see, we have a bunch of different categories in here. We have agents, chat models. So for example, if you want to add an agent, you choose tool agent, for example, and you can just add a calculator or something to it so that it just, counts something, right? Put it on top here, connect them both. And when, of course, you're, finished with customizing, you can just press on save, name your chat flow, for example, calculator, and then save. So that's pretty much what this service is about. You can create and basically use your imagination as much as you want and create your workflows. So in general, that's it, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. If it did, don't forget to press the thumbs up on the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.